is there stress in my life? What don't I know? Why can't I keep friendships? What don't I know? Why is my finances at this level? What do I need to know? What can I do to remain? I don't want to be up and down anymore. Yes. 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 Let patterns begin to come together to make sense. Yes. Thank you, Jesus. Take your questions to Him. Keep them in your heart. Present them to Him. The only answers you are qualified to have are to the questions you decided to have. Yes. There is what you need to know. There is what I need to know. Yes, Lord. Yes. Thank you, Jesus. Yes. Just keep moving. Keep watching. And write down what you're seeing. Keep asking Him, why do I get tired every morning? There's what I don't know yet. Yes, Lord Jesus. Somebody's burning question begin to make declarations of faith. I always know what to do. I have access to cutting-edge information, real-time knowledge. I have access to breaking news spiritually. I know who I am. I know what I need to do in every season. I am wise. I am strong. I am increasing in wisdom and stature, and in favor with God and man. I always know who to talk to. Information comes to me when I need it. I'm a distributor of information. I can never lack real-time information. No good thing will be hidden from me. In the name of Jesus.